waiting for your dreams to come true and change your life. I'm sorry to tell you that your dreams will never come true because dreams doesn't come true. Okay. So hello friends, I'm Sujata, and I was reading the book for my upcoming video, which I have started the series, and suddenly got stuck to one thought. And with the same thought process, I just called up one of my mentee and asked her, you're reading a lot of book. Tell me one thing. You're reading a lot of book. You're gaining a lot of knowledge. Every day you get counseling from me. So what you're gonna do with this knowledge? Okay. So she got confused, a little confused. She told me, Sujata, first of all, you told me to, read these books, and now you're asking me that why am I reading these books? She was totally confused, okay? So I asked her the same question again, but this time I just rephrased it, okay? So I asked her, do you have any dreams? She told yes. Then I asked her, do you have any goals? She told me, yeah. Like, she said, yes, of course, I have goals. Then I asked her the last question that, okay, you have dreams, you have goals. What about the purpose or the objective of your life? So now this time she wanted to answer me, but she was like, uh. So she fumbled and she was not able to answer me. So guys, while reading that book, I was stuck to this particular thought. Aren't we same? Or maybe it would be better to, ask first of all that are we clear that what a dream is, what a goal is, and what objective of life means. Okay, so let me share a story of mine. Till 2019, I had a dream. I had a dream of losing weight. You must be laughing, right? How can someone have a dream of losing weight? Correct? But that's the truth. I was just thinking, sitting back on the couch and thinking कि okay, मैं किसी ना किसी दिन तो अपना weight reduce कर ही लूँगी. Okay, I was just thinking. It was just a mere desire for me. Okay, but I was not at all putting a action to it. Okay, a action which can turn my dream into my goal. So, goal need actions and action gives pain. I was very happy, very comfortable in my comfortable zone. Okay, in my comfort zone. Moving out of comfort zone gives you pain, a lot of pain. Okay, if you are afraid of pain, just let me tell you that you are not going to achieve anything in your life. Okay, so from this January, 2020, I just asked myself, okay, what is the objective of my life? Why am I here? Okay, what is the purpose of having this life? I sat with myself and I asked, I struggled a lot. Let me tell you, it's very difficult, very, very difficult to identify your dream, your real dream, your objective, that what is the purpose of being you in this world. Okay, but now I have clarity. Okay, what am I doing in my life? That was the day, I aligned my dreams and my objectives. So to help people, lead a happy life, I just concluded this that I want to, help people lead a happy, harmonious life. So, if I want to help someone lead a happy life, then, what should I be doing? First of all, I need to be healthy and healthy. Right? If I won't be there, how would I, serve them? How would I gonna add any kind of value to their life? Correct? So I need to be healthy, hearty, which I am not, definitely not. I am obese, I am prone to a lot of diseases, a lot of lifestyle diseases. You name them, and the root cause you will find out that obesity is the root cause of that disease. Okay, be it BP, kidney failure, um, heart attack, cardiac arrest, anything. So this thought of not be able to accomplish my dream didn't let me sleep, and that was the day I decided. I decided to put a date to my dreams, and that day I got goal of my life, and I was able to align my goal, dream with the objective of my life. Okay, what was my objective of life? Okay, I wanted to, help people lead a happy life. So, now I have a clear picture that if I'm going to, live a happy life, then only I'll be able to let people, help them to lead a happy, harmonious life. So, weight management has been my priority for this year. I am on track to, reduce my weight. I have put a date for my weight reduction. December 2020, I have given myself a target. I have put, I have taken a lot of effort and put a lot of actions for this. So let me just give you quick, differences between goals and dreams, right? So goals are something that you are acting on. So, now I am acting on my weight management. I'm acting on my reduction journey, weight reduction journey, right? Dreams are something which you just think. Dreams, aate jate rahenge. It will come, it will go. The you can say it's an imaginary thing. Okay. Goals require action. Dream can happen without lifting, a finger also. So just get a clarity of your goal and dream. So second difference, goals have some deadlines, dream doesn't. Dream just happens. Dreams are dreams. Goal, if you have, decided that this is a goal. In my case, I have decided that, okay, reducing weight is my goal. Then I have put a date, a deadline, that December 2020 is my deadline to reduce this much, right? They have time limits, but dream can go forever, ever and ever. In fact, many people maintain dream for their entire life without even reaching to them, right? So dream is free of cost. As you know, you don't have to lift a finger to accomplish your dream. Your dreams को लाने के लिए कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, right? So dreams are free of cost, but goals have cost. Be it your time, be it your money, be it your comfort zone, giving up your comfort, goal takes all these things. So while you are daydreaming for free, goals doesn't come for free without any price. Time, money, effort, sweat, anything you need to pay in any form for your goals. Okay. But the best part is goal produces results. But does dream produce? I don't think so. Okay, I was dreaming till 2019 and I was not able to lose a single pound. But now, when I have put up a date with my dream, I am able to reduce, right? So, what to change your life? If you want to change your life, your status, put a date to your dream. If that's your real dream, put a date, make it a goal, okay? Dreams are imaginary, right? आप कुछ भी ड्रीम देख सकते हो. There isn't any control, right? आप आज देखो कि मैं कल मार्स पे गया, you can go. आप dream of being a Superman, but goals are based on reality. That has to be real. Okay, when you decide that, okay, this is my dream, and I'm going to put these actions. This is my roadmap for to achieve my dream. Then you put real goals that is achievable. Okay, they are grounded in the reality of our world. Goals should be big, but not supernatural. So, friends, I just want you to identify that whether you have any dream or not. If you have the dream, okay, you have put any action to accomplish that dream. Do you have any goal in mind, any roadmap to achieve that dream? Or, the very basic question, are you clear on your objective or the purpose of your life? If not, think. Think today. Utilize this lockdown, utilize this pandemic situation. Just think, what is the purpose of your life? And what are you doing right now? With this thought, I'll end you today. And subscribe my channel, and we'll meet again. Namaste. Bye.